All right. So everyone, a very, very warm welcome to EduSure, to what EduSure has to offer you in 2023. I'm very excited to share it with you. So this year, the planning is to kind of help you navigate through the different examinations that you will give and do programs successively based on that. So introducing first the L1 program. Now the L1 program is a no homework 1 hour every day program. So what we mean by this is that right now your exams are, you're still not done with your semester 4. Some of you will be busy with those classes because those classes you've already committed to them. You will have your exams coming, internals, finals. So we don't want to burden you. We don't want to put you right in the thick of things because right now you will fall back. You are not ready to, dive into the program head on. Okay, you want to ease into the program. You want to take it slow. So we've started with, for the first time, a no homework L1 program. This is a 1 to 1.5 hour program where every day we will sit with you. Sir, me, or some very good faculty is going to sit with you, and we are going to do things in class only. So no homework, all theory and all questions only done in class. Okay. 2 reasons for doing this program. Actually 3. First is, like I said, that I want to start your preparation for the next year. Primarily because IIT starts from Feb. CUET is in March. So the exams have shifted up. So we need to start earlier. So that's the first reason. Second reason, like I said, I do not want to burden you with homework and classwork right now because you need to take it slow. You need to get into the groove. Take some time. So this is that program where it will put you in the groove. It will keep you it will bring you to a position that you will be able to perform well after 2 months and take the amount of work that needs to be done and not fall back. Okay, so that is the second aim of the program. The third is that in these 2 months, I want to cover the basics with you, which are very important for what we do in the later stage of the program. So for a very small example is graphing, right? Graphing is very essential for everything that we do in MAECO. You need graphing in economics, mathematics, statistics, macroeconomics. And that is not something that maybe everybody's comfortable with, but you need to get very comfortable with graphing. So we'll do graphing. Right? So we'll do things which are very essential for you, for your success into the MAECO program. All right. We start with that. Then we start with the basics. So if you understand that the number of exams that you have to write, the major ones would be CUET. Then there will be your IIFT, Ashoka SNU, Madras School of Economics, SAU, right? This is the second leg. The third leg is ISI, IIT. Right? So these are the legs of the entrance examinations that you have to write in terms of the level of difficulty. L1 program will kind of do that you will be able to answer the questions that come in CUET. So we want to give you confidence right in the beginning, right in 2 months, some confidence that, okay, I can solve CUET questions. Then also to give you an overview of the program, because some people always stay scared, kya karna, kya nahi karna, syllabus kya, of everything in these 2 months. So this is a no homework 1 to 1.5 hours L1 program. Then comes the L2 program, 2 hour daily L2 program, 1 to 1.5 hours of live classes and 2 hours of self-study. This is going to be a program which will be from, so L1 and L2 is April and May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, a 7-month L2 program. This is the backbone of our MAECO preparation. In this program, we will solve all the questions which are of the medium level of every paper, be it ISI, DSC, IIFT, SAU, MSc, any paper. The medium level, which is like the 60%, so any examination can be divided into, let's say 20% easy, 60% medium, 20% tough. That's like the range of any exam. This is that 60%. We will solve the 60% in this program. The 20% will be done in L1, and then the 20% which is hard, which is the L3 program, will be the ISI IIT special, which we will take post-January. All right. So that's how we've divided our programs this year, so that you have a very, very nice flavor of the entire thing. You are prepared for all examinations. You are prepared for all levels, and you can choose how you want. If you want to do L3, you want to give ISI and IIT, do L3. Otherwise, you can stop at L2, and you will be perfectly capable of applying to all institutes, maybe not just not IIT and ISI. Right. Also, if any institute is giving you, if any institute is taking interviews from you, that will also, the L2 program will also be very helpful for that. All right. So this is the L1, L2, and L3 program.